The James Webb Space Telescope is set to launch in 2021 and promises to revolutionize astronomy and space exploration. This advanced telescope will be the successor to the Hubble telescope and promises to give us a glimpse into some of the most distant objects in the universe. In this video, we're going to explore 5 new facts about the James Webb Space Telescope that you may not have known. Learn more about this incredible telescope and the potential discoveries it may help us make. 1. The James Webb Space Telescope is named after a former NASA administrator and astronomer. James Edwin Webb was an American government official who served as the second administrator of NASA from February 14, 1961 to October 7, 1968. He was also a successful businessman, lawyer, and astronomer. Webb was heavily involved in the Apollo program, which aimed to send the first humans to the moon. He also helped shape the future of space exploration by making the decision to add modules to the International Space Station. Webb had a deep interest in astronomy and was a member of the American Astronomical Society and was awarded an honorary doctorate in astronomy from the University of Rochester in 1965. In his honor, NASA named the James Webb Space Telescope after him. 2. The telescope is designed to study the universe in infrared light, allowing us to see some of the universe's earliest galaxies. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is designed to explore some of the most distant corners of the universe. It has an infrared light telescope that will allow scientists to see galaxies that are billions of years older than any we have observed before. With its infrared vision, the JWST will peer into cosmic clouds of dust and gas that are invisible to visible light telescopes, and observe some of the universe's earliest galaxies. The telescope's mission is to look at how stars and galaxies form and how they change over time. It will also search for signs of chemical signatures left by the first generation of stars. The telescope's advanced infrared detectors and powerful optics will allow us to study the history of our universe, from the first moments after the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets in our own Milky Way. Infrared light is especially useful for studying these early galaxies because it can penetrate through the clouds of dust and gas that usually obscure our view of them. The telescope's superior sensitivity and ability to resolve objects in detail will help us get a better understanding of how galaxies have evolved since their formation in the early universe. With the JWST, astronomers hope to find answers to some of the most profound mysteries about our universe, including how galaxies form, how stars and planets form, and what is responsible for dark matter and dark energy. 3. The telescope will be located 1 million miles from Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope will be located an incredible 1 million miles from Earth. This location is known as the second Lagrange point, L2. This point is on the opposite side of the Earth compared to the Sun, making it a great spot for the telescope to observe the universe. The L2 point is particularly advantageous because the telescope can remain in its orbit without having to use fuel to maintain its position. Furthermore, this location minimizes the amount of light pollution from the Sun, allowing for clear observations of distant galaxies and other objects in space. With its amazing vantage point of the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to provide us with incredible insights into the origins of our universe. 4. The telescope will be launched on an Ariane 5 rocket. The James Webb Space Telescope is scheduled to be launched on an Ariane 5 rocket in 2021. The Ariane 5 is an expendable launch system produced and operated by the European Space Agency. It has the capacity to deliver payloads of up to 10 metric tons into low Earth orbit and is considered the world's most reliable heavy-lift vehicle. The Ariane 5 rocket is powered by a liquid hydrogen-liquid oxygen main engine and 2 solid rocket boosters, which provides it with more than 3 million pounds of thrust. This will ensure that the telescope can be safely launched into its destination orbit 1 million miles from Earth. This launch marks an incredible feat of engineering, as the telescope will be the largest and most complex space observatory ever launched. 5. The telescope is expected to cost $9.66 billion. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is one of the most ambitious and expensive space missions ever undertaken. The total cost for the telescope is estimated to be around $9.66 billion, making it one of the most expensive telescopes ever built. This high cost is largely due to the fact that the JWST is an incredibly complex instrument. It consists of a 6.5-meter primary mirror, which is made up of 18 individual hexagonal mirrors, and a sun shield made of 5 layers of material. It also features a plethora of advanced instruments, including a near-infrared camera, a mid-infrared camera and spectrograph, and a fine guidance sensor. All this technology needs to be designed, built and tested before launch, which drives up the overall costs. Despite its high price tag, the JWST is expected to be an invaluable tool for astronomy. Its powerful optics and advanced instruments should allow scientists to see much farther and more accurately than ever before, allowing us to learn more about the universe and its earliest galaxies. It is an incredibly exciting project that is sure to revolutionize astronomy. Thanks for watching.